Okay, one box of 13 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Break it. If you see something that you're interested in, let me know. Send me an email. See if we can get you that card. A lot of this stuff will go to eBay, and some will be graded, some will be PC, as always. Here we go. Tons of prospects in this. There's a Jose Fernandez rookie. There's Meadows. Baez. Correa, he hurt his leg. It's a bummer. Preston Tucker, he's doing really good. The Chromes. It's an insert card, and then this is Garen, I believe, yeah. Garen Cecchini. Breakouts insert, and Drake Britton refractor. These aren't numbered in draft. Okay, there's our first hit. Marco Gonzalez. I believe he was a second round pick in the 13 draft. First round pick. Marco Gonzalez. Auto. Not numbered, just the base version. Huge prospect for the Yankees, but he's really doing pretty bad. I think he's an A-ball too. Low A. And prospect cards. Justin Williams. Cole Stewart. Okay. There's Colton's brother, Keen Wong. Huge prospect, Hunter Harvey. Hunter Green and Hunter Renfroe. Yep, 3 hunters in a row. Jonathan Crawford and Drew Ward. There's a Sonny Gray rookie. Will Myers. So yeah, this product's for the diehard prospector. Tons of prospect cards. Jagalo and Judge. Nick Williams. Refractor Ricardo Bautista, Verlander, reprint, Taylor Guerrero, and the prospects. Some rookie. Xander. There's Jorge Soler. He's played a lot this year. Jordano Ventura, Jack Peterson, so Waka Chrome, it's kind of cool. Meadows, McGuire, insert, Stetson Alley, another refractor, John Costa, and the Chromes. This is Yasiel Puig. J.P. Crawford. Very highly regarded shortstop. There's a Bryant Moran and break Breakouts card, Garrett Gordon blue to 500. Refractor Blake Higgins. Evan Gaddis rookie. Miguel Sano. There's a Correa Chrome. That's cool. And Dorcius Paulino. Meadows Frazier. Breakouts with BJ Boyd. Jason Martin Refractor. Second auto, Michael Lorenzen for the Reds. Don't know a lot about him. Let's see when he was drafted. His first round supplemental pitcher for the Reds. Okay. Just the base version, not numbered. So that's hit number 2. It's a Polanco. Okay, Mora. Buxton. Jesse Biddle and Matt McGill. There's a Clint Frazier, DJ Peterson. Frazier Meadows. Breakouts. Silver Ice. Refractor. He's on Texas now. Another Polanco. Rendon. Breakouts card. Silver Ice. Ramirez. Yelich rookie refractor. That's kind of cool. Shipley and Stewart, 2 good pitching prospects. The Chromes. Gossman rookie. Kind of weird. Gossman has a rookie in this set and a prospect card, which I've never seen before. I think I pulled the prospect card in one of the first packs. Got something blue in here. Jonathan Gray Hell. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see, you see a refractor. That's really cool. And the blue was Matt Southard. I don't think he's a very big prospect. 29th round pick. So, Aaron Judge Chrome. Springer. Dominic Smith, big prospect, but I don't think he has a home run this year. He's in low A. Still waiting on one hit. Another Buxton, Dolan Crone, Jake Thompson breakouts, Tyler Danish, that's the last hit. So all three were just base autos. I don't know a lot about him either. Okay, pretty weak for the autos in this box. We did hit that UC refractor, which is kind of a cool card. There's the Gossman prospect card. So he's a prospect card and a rookie card in the same product. That might be an error. Let's take a look at those real quick. I noticed that in one of my breaks a couple weeks ago. Interesting. So, I think, yeah, exact same picture. One's a rookie and one's not. I don't get it, but. Huh. But the stuff on the back says different things, and one's a prospect card. I don't know. Very strange. Andrew Applin breakouts, and Gary Sanchez, future of the franchise, refractor of Steven Negron, Sangrani and Gaddis rookie, chrome, last pack. Fun product, tons of cards. For $150. Castellanos and Singleton. That's cool. Oscar, future of the franchise. And a Brad Miller refractor rookie. Machado rookie. Okay. There's the stacks. Prospects. Prospect Chrome. Inserts. Parallels. The rookies. These are rookies too. And the autos. Quick recap. Tyler Danish, the White Sox second round pick. Marco Gonzalez for the Cardinals, first round pick. And where's our third hit? Oh, okay, here it is. Michael Lorenzen for the Reds. He's a supplemental draft first round pick. So, fun box. Thanks.